So, until the end of the first quarter, mag-i-stay naman yung masculine. Papanindigan niya yung mga responsibilidad. This is a reliable masculine energy. Meron din siyang gustong i-fix na relationship. Gusto niyang maging reliable sa connection na to. The masculine would stay. Pero marami pa rin siyang questions about this connection, about this commitment. Any more clarification about the outcome? Any more clarification about the outcome? Last, any more clarification about the outcome? The masculine would try to stay, pero kung saan siya mag-i-stay, may dalang sadness para sa kanya. So parang half-hearted yung masculine kung saan niya piniling mag-stay. Again, this is like free will natin. Okay? May mga sleepless nights, overthinking, and kino-question niya kung ano ba talaga yung tamang gawin. Para walang gulo, nakikisama ang masculine sa isang connection na hindi siya masaya. And this is unfair for everyone. Unfair sa masculine na magstay sa isang connection na hindi siya masaya. Unfair din dun sa kasama ng masculine na hindi masaya yung masculine unless very controlling yung feminine here. Sino ba naman ang gustong may makasama na napipilitan lang? 'Di ba? Unless you're controlling, unless may pagka selfish yung energy, 'di ba? So, this would be until the end of first quarter, the masculine felt trapped in a certain situation. But again, I don't know exactly kung ano yung situation because some situation could take more time para maging mas maayos. But sabi ng masculine here, ayaw niya ng conflict. Gusto niya maging maayos. Meron siyang i-overthink, sleepless nights. This is also the energy of sadness. Andun pa rin yung confusion. But the masculine would choose to stay at ibigay yung sabihin nating responsibilidad niya para sa connection na to. Okay? So, to attract harmonious relationship, Madagascar rose quartz. I feel, no? For this connection. Because this is more about like confusion also, the amethyst crystal, mental clarity, and connection with the divine. If you're asking kay God kung ano yung tamang gawin, makakatulong sa'yo ang amethyst. Okay? Again, kung may mga crystals sa bahay, i-cleanse at bulungan ng iyong manifestations. Alright? Yeah. And that would be the Libra reading for the month of January. See you again in a few days for your bonus reading. And habol na sa sale ng ating crystals. And PM me for your personal reading. Damihan nyo na yung tanong para masagot natin agad. Alright? Bye-bye, Libra!